Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So if you see this question, we are given that x square plus y square by x square is equal to 38. And we need to find out the value of this thing, x by y minus y by x. Okay. So whenever we have this kind of questions, what do we need to do? We need to somehow find a relation between these two. Okay. So if you see x by y, and here we have x square by y square, right? If I say a is x by y, then that means here you have a square. And if I say b is y by x, then here you have b square, right? So this is a minus b you need to find, and you are given a square plus b square is 38. Can I write it this way? Yes, of course, right? Okay. Now we need to see what is the relation between a minus b and a square plus b square. So if I what do I do? I know that a minus b whole square is what? It is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Okay. So here we have an advantage that a and b are reciprocal of each other, right? So instead of b, it is what? It is 1 by a. It is what? It is 1 by a. They are reciprocal of each other, right? So what do I do? If I write a square plus 1 by a square and I subtract 2 from it, from both sides, it will become 36 on the right hand side, because it was 38 earlier, right? We subtracted 2 from both sides, right? So on the left hand side, you have a minus 1 by a whole square, right? And on the right hand side, you have 6 square, right? We didn't do anything. We just found out the relation between these two things, whatever is given to us, right? Okay. So this is a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 6 square. So that means a minus 1 by a will be equal to 6, right? Plus minus 6 you can say if it is 36. So that means a is x by y minus y by x is equal to plus minus 6. And this is our answer, right? So I hope you understood this. These questions, you just, whenever you have this kind of thing, always try to find out the relation between those two things, whatever is given and whatever you need to find, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.